Noom Diabetes Management App. The pros, the cons. Most people think of Noom as just a weight loss app, but the surprising truth is that it's also making big strides in diabetes management. The Noom Diabetes Management App takes a psychological approach to help users make lasting lifestyle changes. But does it really work? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Noom's biggest advantage lies in its focus on behavioral change. Instead of just counting carbs or calories, it helps users understand the why behind their habits. Through short daily lessons and interactive coaching, Noom guides people to make smarter food and activity choices that support healthy blood sugar levels. One standout feature is its personalized program. After an initial assessment, Noom tailors goals, nutrition advice, and exercise plans based on your needs. It doesn't label foods as good or bad, which helps reduce guilt, something most diets get wrong. Instead, it categorizes foods by calorie density, encouraging better portion control without restriction. Users also get real-time feedback from human coaches and support groups, making the experience more accountable and motivating. Early studies have even shown Noom can help users lower ACE levels over time, a key measure in diabetes management. Now, the cons. Noom's psychology-based approach may not appeal to everyone. Some users prefer a more traditional tracking method with clear nutritional data. A Noom system can feel vague in that sense. It's also subscription-based and can be pricey for long-term use. And while the app provides education and motivation, it doesn't replace medical advice or direct glucose tracking. In conclusion, the Noom Diabetes Management App shines for people who want a sustainable, mindset-driven approach to controlling their health. It's not a quick fix or medical device, but rather a smart lifestyle coach in your pocket. If you're looking to improve habits, lose weight and manage blood sugar holistically, Noom could be your secret weapon, as long as you're ready to do the inner work it encourages.